But that's okay, I'm dancing on the ceiling. 'Cause I've got the groove, I'll bust a move. Now just try and stop me, I feel like dancing tonight. I'm gonna party like it's my civil right. And everybody's getting kind of awesome, it doesn't matter where. I don't care if people stare, 'cause I feel like dancing tonight. Somebody call the police. I think they're coming to get me. They say you've got the right to remain on the dance floor. Show us what you've got, 'cause you know that you've got more. And I feel like dancing tonight. I came to party like it's my civil right. Everybody get kind of awesome, it doesn't matter where. I don't care if people stare, 'cause I feel like dancing.